Hey everyone, have you ever been in the middle of speaking English when suddenly your mind goes completely blank? You know the words, you've studied the grammar, you've practiced for hours, but the moment it's your turn to speak, nothing comes out. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you don't have a vocabulary problem. You don't even have an English problem. You have a confidence problem. And in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. The truth is, almost every English learner experiences this. Even people with a large vocabulary freeze during conversations. But here's the good news. Once you understand why it happens, stopping it becomes much easier. Let's get started. The biggest reason people freeze is because they want every sentence to be perfect. They think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if I pronounce this word incorrectly? What if people laugh at me? But here's something most learners don't realize. Native speakers make mistakes every single day. Communication isn't about perfection. It's about connection. If people understand your message, you've already succeeded. So the next time you're speaking English, stop asking, is this perfect? Instead ask, can people understand me? That small mindset shift changes everything. Here's something surprising. When you're speaking English, your brain doesn't have enough time to translate every sentence from your native language. If you keep translating, your brain becomes overloaded. And that's exactly when you freeze. Instead, practice thinking in English. Describe what you're doing. Talk to yourself while cooking. Describe the weather. Name the objects around you. The more often you think in English, the faster your brain responds during real conversations. This might sound strange, but if you're never making mistakes, you're probably not speaking enough. Every mistake teaches your brain something new. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. Nobody learns without falling. Speaking English works the same way. Every conversation makes you stronger. Every mistake makes you smarter. So don't fear mistakes. Use them. Remember, confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes because you speak. So here's today's challenge. Right after this video ends, say one sentence in English out loud. It doesn't matter if it's perfect. Just speak. Because every sentence you say is one step closer to fluency. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.